Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the phone ready. Update the Pixel 9 and sign into your Google account so AI features sync. Once done, open Settings and enable Google Assistant with Voice Match. This lets the phone recognize you. Make sure to grant microphone, camera, and location permissions so on-device models can process audio and images. Also check battery and data settings to allow background AI updates. These steps get the device prepared and authorized for the hands-on AI. Now run the Pixel 9 AI tools. Invoke Assistant or the dedicated AI app and speak or type a concise prompt that includes context and desired output. Use the camera AI for scene suggestions, live translate, recipe steps, or quick image edits. Tap suggestions to apply changes. For complex tasks, chain prompts. Give intent, clarifying details, then request format, bullet list, summary, draft. Once replies appear, tap to copy, edit, or continue the conversation to refine the result until it fits your needs. Finish by reviewing and refining the AI output. Edit inline, request a rewrite, or ask for more detail until it matches your goal. Once satisfied, save results to Files, Google Keep, or share directly through apps and the clipboard. Make sure to check privacy toggles and history settings to manage data. If something goes wrong, responses are off topic or the app crashes, toggle the AI feature off and on, restart the phone, or clear the app cache. That fix resolves most hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.